Hello friends, ProTrainers Bharat presents Phonics for all. Today we will learn different sounds of vowel A in different words. Sound 1, short sound of A, as in apple. Other examples are at, cat, sat, bat, dad, fan, gap, as, jam, lab, mat, nag, pan, quack, rat, etc. You can write more such examples in the comments. Sound 2, long sound of A, as in ape. Other examples are 8, base, dare, fade, gate, hate, late, made, name, plate, square, rate, safe, state, taste, etc. You can write more such examples in the comments. Sound 3, sound of A as in car. Other examples are father, bath, ask, grass, bald, malt, star, card, blast, dark, farm, flask, mask, wasp, quarter, etc. You can write more such examples in the comments. Sound 4, sound of A as in ball. Other examples are all, call, mall, bore, ball, call, fall, stall, was, gall, etc. You can write more such examples in the comments. Sound 5, sound of A as long E as in many. You can write more such examples in the comments. Like, share and subscribe ProTrainers Bharat if you like the content.